This is my beautiful 2026 Model Y Performance. And the first week I had this car, I was using FSD. I was at a Costco and the FSD backed into a spot and curbed my wheel. The first week I had the car, I had to call a mobile wheel repair company. They came out and repaired this wheel. And what I want to get into today, you guys, is a product from EVBase that I think would have saved me some tears, some time, and some money. Let's check this out. And this is the product I wanted to discuss with you guys today. These are 21-inch Arachnid 2.0 wheel protectors from EVBase. EVBase, if you guys aren't familiar with them, they make amazing aftermarket product for EVs, especially Tesla. And what I found in doing the research is these might be the best wheel protectors on the market. Let's go ahead and take a look at the box. Now, when we go ahead and do the unboxing, you guys, when you get inside, you get two large rolls of felt tape or foam tape. This is going to go on the outside of the protectors to make sure that there's no damage. If you do need to remove the covers from the wheel, any kind of connection between the plastic cover and the wheel is not going to abrade the surface of the wheel. When we go in a little bit further, you got your nice premium wheel covers. Let's pull these out. All right, let's go ahead and take these out. I'm going to show you guys these up close, and this is why I went with EVBase as opposed to some of the other companies. They have a reputation, you guys, for having a better fitment, tighter fitment. So the just reduction of any chance of noise. You know, it's a premium car. You want that nice premium look. So I appreciate the fact that their molding is very, very good. Things are very tight. You can see the quality in the product. It's also the finish. The finish of the item or the covers themselves match the finish on the wheel almost perfectly. I love the fact that this is an ABS material, so it's going to give you that impact resistance. It's UV coated, especially important to me in Arizona, so you have that protection from the sun. Again, when you look at the clips, everything looks very strong. You look at the edges, it's not cheaply cut stuff. And that's why I went with EVBase, you guys. I just feel like their reputation was a little bit better. I don't have time for drama, and for me in particular, I appreciate the extra quality, the attention to detail in the color match and the UV coating, especially living in Arizona. Now, these are incredibly, incredibly easy to insert, you guys. We're gonna do, I'll show you guys this here in a sec, or I can actually even use this. Now, obviously, you're gonna remove your aero covers from your OEM wheels, and you're gonna line the valve stem up first. This is gonna be the first piece that you're gonna insert. Once that's inserted, all right, you're gonna go ahead and apply pressure to each of these points. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the first one, so it's going to be an additional 4. Now, what I did basically, you guys, I used the palm of my hand. Just we call it the little. There's no torque setting. It's just an ugga-dugga. Basically, is the joke is just kind of just a nice little pop, 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 and then pop. Everything goes in flush. What I did afterward was I went around the edge of the wheel and I made sure that the gap between the cover and the wheel was even. And again, I'll take it into the garage and show you guys that up close. But again, I love this premium look. I like the finish, and I love the fact that the color match is perfect. Let's go into the garage now. Now, I want to mention, you guys, one more thing. Back to that whole the mentioning of quality with these. I want you guys to notice that with EVBase, the felt tape or the foam tape is already in here. All the other companies, they have you insert your own and hopefully do it right, hopefully have enough, and hopefully it's centered. This looks very, very well done. And then on top of that, they're adding 2 additional full rings of felt tape. So if you wanted more foam or you wanted to remove this later, or for any reason it comes off, you see what I mean? They give you that backup. So I feel like they design these things to last. They design these things with the owner's in mind and for the long run in mind. So just wanted to point that out before we head into the garage here. All right, you guys, so we're back in the garage and I'm gonna show you really quick how to insert these. And the reason mine are not inserted right now or not on the wheels right now, you guys, is unfortunately when my car was delivered, I had some wheel vibration and tire vibration. So Tesla went ahead and replaced my tires, and when they replaced my tires, the technician unfortunately scratched my wheels. So it is currently, what time is it now? It is 10:06. I have an 11:40 appointment at Tesla, and they're gonna be, they're supposed to be replacing my wheels. This is the one that's not scratched that bad, but they did this kind of thing where they scratched it up like that. So Tesla's gonna take care of that for me. That is the only reason these are not on. They were on the car and I took them off, and I will be putting them back on once I get back from the dealer. When you go ahead and insert these, it's a very, very easy thing. Once your aero covers are off, and these are, you guys, a 3-year-old can take these off. You wanna use plastic pieces, take these aero covers off. Once the aero cover's off, this is gonna be the initial piece that you're gonna line up with the valve stem. So it's gonna go like that. Once that clips in, like I said, you wanna use the ball of your fist, just give it one pop, okay? One pop into each of the 5 sections. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's it. After that, once I hit those 5 sections, I went around to the kind of we'll call them the intermediate sections basically, and just made sure everything was pushed in, and I checked from the side to make sure that the fitment was flush up against the wheel so that there was no, I don't know, we'll call it run out. You don't want any wobble or anything like that. You want it to be flush. And what I liked about the quality of these units is the fact that I could put them on and remove them without causing any damage to the wheel. And what's surprising to me is that the Tesla tech at the dealer caused damage to the wheel, but me, pulling and popping these things off didn't cause any damage to the wheel. So very, very impressive units, you guys. I absolutely recommend these. When I had to have my wheel repaired, it cost me, I think it was $150 for a mobile wheel person to come out and take care of the wheel for me. These units, I believe, are 20% off, maybe 110 or 111 bucks after the discount. Right there, that would have been cheaper than having the wheel repaired, basically. I do have a feeling that most people who get the performance do end up taking off these aero covers, so it's kind of a no-brainer, you guys. You might as well get these. The finish is absolutely perfect. If you look at that color match, absolutely perfect. And the fact that they give you that seamless look and that nice protection for less than the cost of a wheel repair, and that's all 4 wheels protected. Again, it's a no-brainer, you guys, and that's why I'm bringing you guys this cool accessory from EVBase. Again, these are the 21-inch Arachnid 2.0 wheel covers from EVBase. This is the gray. They do come in white, red, and I believe gray and carbon fiber. I personally went with the gray. I like kind of the OEM look. And again, no brainer. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do like the item, there is a link to the item and a 20% discount for any of the viewers if you guys are interested. And I think, like I said, it'll give you that kind of protection from FSD and protection from any mishaps from parking. You guys have a great day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.